Hey everybody, Jake here at the Max Store. Today we've got my 05 LLY, and yeah, it might be a little clapped out as far as the lower control arms are concerned. Got kryptonite ball joints in there and they're holding up great, but you know what's not? It's these bushings. These bushings have 380,000 miles on them and they are literally falling apart in my hands. So we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed. We're gonna use the Max Store Moog Severe Duty Lower Control Arm Bushing Kit. That's gonna come with one of each of those lower control arm bushings, the small one and the big one. We're gonna show you guys how to take the stock ones out and put the Moog ones in. We get a lot of questions on these. These look too small. These look like they're not gonna fit. Trust me, once you press them in, they're gonna fit. So we've got the bushings right here. As you can see, these are the Moog Severe Duty Lower Control Arm bushings from Max Store. This is gonna come in a pair. So you're gonna have one for each different side because there's two different sizes there. I'm gonna rip these open. So you can see it's just a nice standard rubber bushing with the metal insert here. So basically just a direct OE replacement. They actually do work pretty well. So here you've got both sides here. You've got your short one and your long one. So you can see this looks like it's a lot shorter than this one, but actually the metal in the center is the same. So once you press it in, it's gonna actually expand and kind of push this out. So it's gonna look just like this one. But these metal centers are exactly the same distance. So this is for your short side. You want that big lip towards the outside. And this is gonna be the same for both of them. So the big one and the small one, again, that big lip on the outside. As you can see, this looks a whole lot smaller. So, I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna work, but it's gonna compress this in the center and kind of push this out. But if you measure the metal ends, they are actually the same as this one because you got the metal going to here and it's exactly the same. So these are the correct bushings. You guys ask all the time, hey, you sent me the wrong ones because they're too short. They are not too short. You'll just press them right in. And there you go. There's a properly installed lower control arm bushing. free silicone grease or some sort of grease to get these bushings in because it is a very tight fit. You can see how clapped out these old bushings were. I mean, they were absolutely destroyed. The new Moog bushings will go right in. You're going to want to press these in just a little bit further than you think, almost till it goes past, so you can see that it's fully seated. And here we've got both bushings installed correctly.